the Supreme Court and the Milimani High Court, who took us through the process for the purpose of now moving from the manual platform to the digital platform of e-filing as a way of making things work faster and as a way of reducing any amount of backlog and misassessment of fees payable to the court. So it had been rolled in other parts of the country, but for our part here and other areas that had not been put on the platform, today was the official launch, and therefore from tomorrow we no longer be moving court and filing documents in the manner we used to do previously. So this is a good step forward, and we do commend the CCHA for coming up with such a kind of program, which will now make things easier, and even you're able to go through the screen, through the comfort of your office, and follow the proceedings or see what are the orders so far issued in the court. So on that regard, on behalf of Southwest Branch of RSK, we do commend the CCHA, and we look forward to a good working relationship between the bar and the bench. Since last year in October, we started from Kisumu because Southwest covers Migori, Homa Bay and the Yugis. The launch in Kisumu covered those areas, and they were trained. We have had several trainings on this, but it's not an exercise that will come to an end once. It is a continuous process which can take even 5 years for each and every person to be familiar with the system. The most affected parties are parties who appear in person, members of public, who may not have accessed the issue of the internet. But in terms of the law firms, the practitioners, I think so far we have received enough training. Ritugoriare rotare tekijaenge komine momo kinyo yogatatu ntuanyorete rirube ryogotochika se okubwata namo na Chief Justice with Republic ya Kenya asenjira yoko peke mekakati gose ogo chenji kurwenjira ebina bya kalenduru ekoti goja senjire ngiya yogotumya mutandao ibina twakarikira amasakara twire koti yari bya kerwe sabororo kwegwe namba gwa file gwakanira ya chenjiri rero nabo gwakanira ku nyumba mwao ku opsi abasore na byonde byonse utadakora na bakora kuri opsi yao igena tugia cyagete myaka kurumayaga ande ni pati ya Nyanza twajagete umwako yoera mutinyo 10 twa training goja turokereri ngakitubwana gukora na ntogende kwende na mafundisha ayo asama tukamange erinde abantu baminto bari batanyare gwikirani okora banyare koeresu bamanye nka baranyare bakora ibagariyo kujya gusumbuka kwa myaka chikoti kwa myaka kwaka na kibese ikinde kwangainwa bono ase mutandao yo cyakiro muyiya igokonyore message kujya se simu yao ase computer yao ase laptop yago tenjo takerowa kane awakana kweguri city abo no wakana kuri nono muri waku waranda se asomoto bwate internet wa print document ya kwa ke file na boko nyara narekero kwa bekire igo mafundisho abantu baje basomigu ngakyo kwa gwi namba toko ke account number iri era nyara wakonya kumanya nki itakirega koru kero kubwate asekina kiao nambe yenge mniriye ke bade mutari kunyara kosea na muntu ndugensi ayo manyana kukunyatumia isaine tokunyara gutumia na muntu ndugensi nainde so asegende ya koru ndutu arori mbiya ni manyeta abantu bito bande mbaje bae gosake ngakikera nyare lakini biyonsi tubwatirane na wegetwara manyubiya nange nyare korusi abariana ni bari bajandira abantu ngera baja kubangaina babari kibesa ngane ko bakanire koti kumbe ne kibesa cy'abantu babokora abantu bono matukaba erire yatokore binta senjerengiya abantu bito nyore oturika